Howdy, this is Michael Good from reapertrades.com with another daily trade recap for Wednesday, September 2nd, 2009. What you see before you is Seprecor, SEPR. It went vertical on rumors of a takeover from $17.50 to $20 a share. Then hung out there a little while, although you can't see it on this chart, before zooming higher. And I bought at 2063 as it was zooming higher and sold at 21.30 or so for an easy $145 or so. One thing to point out with these is with penny stocks, I'll often short this exact same pattern because they tend not to get bought out because they're really bad companies. However, before I do that, I always check to make sure there isn't any rumors or news of a buyout. And also, I looked at the volume to make sure that it's not, a liquid stock. A liquid stock, if it starts trading like this, this means that something is up. So if you're quick, you can hit buy and then just hold on for a couple minutes and then get some nice easy profits. Although I have to say, while this looks like a straight vertical line, when something's moving that far, it will bounce around a lot. So it may look easy in the past when you're looking at it with hindsight, but when you're going through it, it feels gut-wrenching as it jumps around by 50 cents here, 50 cents there. So anyway, nice profit on that. Other trades for the day. Let me pop up all my trades for the day. So BLDV was a sub-penny stock. I saw this on Investors Live Twitter feed. I got in at 28 cents, at 28 hundredths of a cent, and I sold at 55 hundredths of a cent. Very nice trade, almost a double. So I made over $100 on what had been a $120 position. I should point out, I don't recommend playing sub pennies or even true penny stocks unless you really know what you're doing, because it's very easy to quickly lose a lot of money on those. QASP, a true penny stock, it showed some volume and some interest, some buying here. I bought at 0.023 cents, or sorry, $0.023, so it's 2.3 cents, and I sold at about 2 cents here when it failed to keep breaking out. Other trades, MDZ was a pre-leader. I tried shorting it as it faded off its highs, or as it faded below its lows actually. So if I'd done it better, I would have shorted it right around 705 or so. Instead, I shorted at 697. It bottomed. I covered for exactly 0 loss. And if I'd been more aggressive, I could have easily bought it here as it broke back above that whole dippy area. Or the simpler thing would have been to buy it as it broke above its previous high of the day. And that would have been a great time to buy it because it did this nice vertical spike then. Then, were there any others? Yeah, there was BG. Vonage, I shorted a decent amount of size too. Should have shorted right here at 182 as it broke the lows of the day. I actually shorted at about 174, which was a really bad idea because I was 10 cents lower and therefore had much worse risk-reward profile. So a trade like this, you need to be quick, you need to have a good entry, and it's still a decent risk-reward, but you're not going to make a ton of money. So after that, if I had stayed in and not gotten out quickly when I realized how horrible my entry was, I would have gotten out right about here. Instead, I got out within a minute or two right here on that spike. So overall for the day, I'm up 238. Not bad, not good, but hey, I can't complain. Thanks very much, and I'll check you out next time on reapertrades.com.